What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Waiting on our good buddy Dave to show up. We ended up getting some rain last night, and I know we talked about we want to throw some bigger tires and kind of make the old Mercedes here an off-road machine, and I've been scouring everywhere to find bigger tires and wheels for this thing that don't cost more than we paid for it. And so far, I haven't had good luck. But I figure, screw it, you know? Let's go take this thing out in the dirt. Let's go romp around with it and see what it's made of. Either we have fun or we kill it, or we have fun and we kill it. One of the two is gonna happen. Oh, I need to make sure we re-screw on our old exhaust tip there, because that thing's not really cutting it. And yes, we use drywall screws. Probably the reason it's not working out so well. Maybe if we put a couple more screws in it this time, it'll hold better. Yep, this bit is shot. Okay, so much for that bit. Well, a couple of worn out drill bits and broken drill bits. I'm pretty convinced that this exhaust is cursed and wants nothing to do with anything holding it on, so maybe we'll just leave that drill bit in there. That'll somewhat anchor it down. What's the worst that could happen? I
think we made some safety modifications.
That's right.
Already.
Yeah, that exhaust tip is going nowhere.
Well, we'll see.
All right. All the labs of luxury we got in this Mercedes. I mean, this thing's got power seats that actually still, wait, hold on, still work. We got like beautiful simulated wood grain. You know, nice leather seats. It's just, I mean, you look at the dash. The dash isn't even cracked. This thing's nice. Who forgot a cup holder in these things? Like, did nobody have?
How do they make you clip them on by the window?
Yeah, that's ghetto, dude. Yeah, you go to the Pep Boys and buy the window clip. What, did nobody bring drinks with them anywhere back in the 80s? Like, come on, guys. You forgot the cup holder. Fire in the hole! Well, hey, that drill bit came right out. It's actually a little extra smoky this morning. You ready to go, David?
Yes.
Let me get you in your car, sir.
Safety ride, Max.
Absolutely. Go ahead, sir.
Safety Dmaxryno.
Warm it up. Oh, yep, your people love you. Your people love you. Make yourself at home, David.
Where's the Asian hottie to put my seatbelt?
It sounds good once you get rid of the rough idle, you know? It really does.
Yeah. I mean, it sounds like it's running a little rich or something, or it smells like it's running maybe a touch. Look at McDonald's.
This is a nice McDonald's here, sir. I only want to take you to the finest McDonald's in the land.
As you wish. Only cash? Cash only, please. Cash only, please?
We're only accepting cash at the moment.
Excellent. I'll have a large coffee and some ice to cool it down. That'll do.
216, second window.
Excellent.
Are we waiting for a receipt for your taxes?
We're waiting for instructions, actually. A little far though.
Is it a little far? How's that work for you?
That'll do.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's get about our day here, Dave.
What kind of limo doesn't have cup holders?
The cup holder thing is really an issue.
I got a Coke, a coffee, and an ice water, and
well, you got a briefcase, put it in the briefcase. 60 miles an hour seems to be this thing's sweet spot, and it is just like an absolute joy. Dave, like, how soft is it back there? You cushy and comfortable?
Oh, what's that, dog? I was asleep with my eyes open.
I'm guessing that means it is comfortable back there.
I feel like I'm finally starting to get a little bit of the credit I deserve.
So to everybody that says, Rhino, why do you drive a big truck? Why don't you just get a car, you know? Right next to me right here is the reason. Like, we're not surviving. We're going underneath that trailer if we're in a little car. Whereas if you're in a big truck, like, you at least stand a chance. So this used to be our spot where we go off-roading, but apparently this is like a construction site now. Hey Dave, you think we can go this way?
That's all.
It looks open, right?
All kinds of signs saying we have a right.
I don't see anything that says we don't have a right. Let's go see what's over here. Let's test this off-road suspension, buddy.
I'm gonna test this off-road coffee cup.
Oh yeah, I forgot you're holding 3 drinks back there. Gotta say, dude, the suspension's pretty freaking plush on this thing. Dude, this road is like super rutted out from the rain, and we're running pretty smooth here. Is that door not closed?
It's not.
All right, go ahead. Close the door, Dave. We don't want nobody falling out. There we go. So it kind of looks like this is just a circle track. I'm thinking we go this way. Like what could go wrong if we go this way? We gotta take your briefcase with you everywhere?
I'm not just gonna leave my briefcase in your car, dude.
Let's take the Mercedes for her first little hill climb here. Dave thinks we're getting stuck. I think we got it. We got this. We got this. Woo! Dave, we have a lot of faith in this thing now because we're going way down this hill into that valley, and I hope this thing will come back up. But that hill looks pretty steep.
Well, I mean, I guess we don't have to go down there. I was just saying, I was unaware that I would be in the car when you were going down there.
I didn't think you were getting in the car, but then you just got in the car, so I guess you're coming too. So this doesn't look steep on camera, but it's actually pretty steep down, and then like dips in a valley and then goes back up the other side. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Oh, we didn't make it.
We made it.
We made it most of the way. We made it most of the way up this hill. I gotta say, dude, this thing, like, it's geared pretty freaking well.
See yourself.
It goes down. We lost the briefcase. throttle cable can stick. At one point there, it stayed full throttle by itself. Dude, if we could get this into like some open desert or something. Unfortunately, where we wanted to go was a little bit closed off, so we don't have like some of the cooler trails and stuff that I wanted to take it on. But
what are you talking about? This is like the greatest suburban.
It's a nice little, yeah, considering we're like right in the city, this is a nice little test dry run for this thing for off. This is with stock tires, dude. With stock tires, it gets plenty of traction going up these hills. Like, I'm impressed. All right, now we got to use these hills like a half pipe to get up and out of here. Gain some speed a little bit here. Let's see. Hold on, Dave. Hold on, Dave. Here we go.
We got an ample handle.
That's right. Yeah, hold on to that's called an oh shit handle.
All right.
All right, here we go. We're gonna hit this hard. That's a big hill up there.
All right.
Let's go.
Nice, dog.
Oh, we're losing speed. We got it. Downshift. We downshift.
Got it.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a Mercedes-Benz, though. It's the finest in anything, really.
Well, I mean, with all of this customization and mods that we got on
That's
it.
true. Look at that, dude. I think we're right back onto the trail. This thing is an off-road machine, man.
I mean, it kind of handled better than my van would.
It did handle better than most of our trucks will, that's for sure. I'm excited. I'm excited to. Can you imagine with some bigger tires on here? I don't even know if we need them, to be honest with you, though.
Might need a diff blocker.
We probably need a diff blocker. We could probably use a couple modifications. A roof rack with a spare tire. I can see that being important.
Dog, you think we can put a winch on this?
I was actually gonna go to Harbor Freight and bolt just like a winch somewhere on here before you showed up, but I didn't have time. Just to make you happy, because I think we could put a winch on here, dude.
That would make me happy. They have been accosted by the police. Like, well, that's a good question, but because we're in the Mercedes-Benz, it looks like we belong. Like, they obviously...
There's a business meeting somewhere out in that field.
They're late.
Yeah. I bet that driver got lost again. Come on, Dave, let's get her on. Giddy up.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. She's screaming. Woo! Dang, Dave, our tachometer is going crazy over here, buddy.
What's she saying?
Well, now we're floating between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM here. And then sometimes it likes to jump to like 6,000. Up, now, let's see. Oh, now we're back down to 0. Well, we made it back. Let's see if she's puking out any oil or anything. Oh, well, we definitely we picked up a tumbleweed along the way. I mean, I don't know if it's got oil in it, but it's not puking any out right now. So that's good. All right, we'll put our oil catch back on the ground. Well, I think it's about as much as we're gonna get. First off, though, can we just say, like, great buy, dude. This thing is fun. All right, I know a lot of you guys doubted us in buying the diesel Mercedes. Yeah, don't forget your briefcase, Dave.
I never forget the briefcase.
This thing's fun, dude. Like, to have a car you don't care about and to romp on, and it's a diesel with a hood stack, like, you can't not smile driving this thing. And then you go collect some tumbleweeds, and you're good to go.
Deer, when he did
Dave, can you touch the rim? Even with it bent down about 4 inches?
No.
Let's see. Like you gotta jump. Let's see, a running jump, see if you can touch the rim.
Nah, dude.
Let's see how high you get. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Why?
I'm just curious.
Dude, first of all, I'm in boots.
Excuses,
Second of all,
excuses.
Like in the town I grew up in, like people don't sit around and be like, how is Dave? Boy, that white boy could jump. Like nobody's doing that.
They might after this video. Hi, Dave, you don't have to jump. Regardless, Dave, I'm not gonna let you get me down because you're not jumping. Because we've got a sweet off-road Mercedes over here that I think is really shaping up and proving itself to be quite the the dream that we had in it, even with stock tires. Like, do we got a flat? No, we're good. Just bulging the tire a little bit. We're good. We're good. No, it looked like this one was a little bit low, but I think we're good. Regardless, with that, guys, we're going to wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching the channel. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. That was a thumbs up. Let's do that next. How about you guys, if you're willing, give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.